What's going on YouTube? It's Andre back again with another great video. I'm going to show you how you can earn $130 if you do this correctly and if you do this properly and if you follow the steps that I'm going to share with you, you'll be able to make some money using this brand new product. So I found this product and I'm going to show you how to set it up. And if you keep watching this video, what I'm also going to be doing, I'm going to give you my free funnel. So yes, I'm going to give you a free funnel. You can take that funnel, you can input it into yours, you could swipe, apply, and get started right away. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I create brand new videos all the time. So make sure you hit that bell notification. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And just to show you a little preview, here are some of the funnels that I've already put together for you. And I'm going to give you this funnel for absolutely free. There's going to be, if you don't have ClickFunnels, all you have to do is just sign up for their 14-day trial. And then after that, you're going to have to pay them their monthly fee. But for the people who already have ClickFunnels, this is going to be free for you. So you can just put it into your funnel and you can get started. So what I want to share with you is this is a product that I just found out and I have been testing it and it's been working pretty well. So if you have the good old ClickBank, I know I haven't made a video about ClickBank in such a long time, is because I'm doing so many different projects online right now. It's unbelievable. But just bear with me and just stay with me here. So we're going into the health and the fitness, and this particular product, it's called Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Yes, so this product right here, it's one of the #1 rated and it has the highest gravity score right here. So I'm just sharing with you one of my ClickBank's account that I have. And the initial sale you can get is $133 and the recurring rebill, it's a good thing. So if someone buys it for $134, every time they rebill over time, it's going to be a $34. So that's a sweet recurring income and it adds up over time once somebody keep billing it. And if the product is working for them, then of course they're gonna keep using it, right? Absolutely. So we're gonna jump right into it and we're gonna get started. Now the first thing we want to do is I already gone and did all the research for you, so you don't have to bust your brain. You don't have to think about exactly what you're going to do. I went over to healthyweightforum.org. So go over to healthyweightforum.org, and this particular website slash blog, or what we would call it a forum, they have basically everything related around health and fitness and weight loss, right? So over here you'll see like the calculator tools. So for the people who want to go check their weight, they want to check the different tools, they can calculate what type of food, the allowance calculator, their freestyle, their calories required to lose weight. So that means they want to see, okay, how many calories did they need to burn in order to get to a certain amount. They also have Weight Watchers points and also a keto calculator. So right over here you have diets reviews, all these different things, and you have like the weight loss articles. So if you look very closely, you'll see that they have some low carb diet. And for this particular product that we're going to be promoting, the product that we're going to be promoting, which is the quinoa flat belly tonic, if you go through here and you read exactly what it's all about, you can basically see what are the ingredients. It is a tonic. It's only a tonic drink. And you basically, it's like a powder. You put it in, you mix it, and people just drink it. And then once people drink it, of course, they're going to get great results. Now, I personally haven't tried this myself, but I did all the reviews. I did all the search, and you have, yeah, good reviews, you have bad reviews. Some people are saying good things, some people are saying bad things. It's just like anything else. Just like you have an iPhone. People are going to say good stuff about iPhone, people are going to say bad stuff about iPhone. So you can decide on, hey, is this something that I want to promote? Do I want to buy it? Do I want to try it myself? You can do that. To each his own. But so far, this has been racking out some really good commissions. As you can see, they give you Facebook target interest, that you can install the pixel that they use. You have the landing page options, you have commissions, you have AdWords. So if you go on the landing page option right here, you can decide on which one of the landing pages you want to use. But as I told you before, I'm going to give you a free landing page that you can use. So this is a particular offer that I used to run. So if I click on this, and I'm using ClickFunnels, by the way. And if you have ClickFunnels, you basically just check in the description, because I'm going to leave the share code down below, and you can just edit it yourself, right? As you can see, I have some ClickBank links in here ready to go with some Facebook tabs, right? So you could change it. The good thing about with ClickFunnels, you could change these things. What I normally do, I normally go out and find out, okay, which of these landing page are working. So I'll just find different ones. I'll try them. I also go onto Facebook. So I'll just go onto Facebook right here. So I'll go to facebook.com. And then once I go to Facebook, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be searching for Okinawa. So I can type in Okinawa. I can type in Okinawa and see if I see any ads popping up. Right? So if you want to do some research, these are some of the things that you could do. Now, sure, probably don't find flat belly. So if I type in Okinawa flat belly, here is someone actually created an entire Facebook page around that, right? And if you click on here, you see people. If you click on all, if I go on all, I'm sure I'll be definitely finding something. So this girl right here, best cookies ever, right? Going through Okinawa flat belly tonic reviews. People already created a group on this. And the good thing is, what you could do as well, once you create these groups, people are going to join them. People are going to post in the group. People are going to leave different reviews. And that's what a lot of these people do. So they go in here, they create it, and look, you see, there's pictures, there's photos, there's all these different things. So if I click on this, someone is already posting. This person right here experienced the health. You could click on that. You could tell this person is overseas based on their phone number, right? So based on the phone number, you could tell that they're overseas. If you look on here, you could see different reviews. You have this right here, you could tell this is a clickbait. Kima, don't, my complete review, don't get scammed, right? Now this person right here is giving their reviews. You can also go in here as well to just see. So, okay, so your width is impossible unless you're meaning another measurement, no pounds. Look at this. This is a lie, does not work. There's people on here, does it work? Does it work? I need to lose 75 pounds. So you got different reviews. So you can even take this video, right? You could grab this video from Facebook. If you don't want to take this one, you could take any one of these different reviews. This person right here, you could see there's reviews. So once you want to grab this link and you want to download it. So you can go to Facebook down.net and you can basically rip down that video. So Facebook down.net and take it out. Once you do that, what you could do, you could set it up where you can add a actual video on the front. So we're not going to put this on Facebook, so no need to worry. So here, what we could do, we could put this right here, click add, and then we can put a video. So we can put a video right here. So if I downloaded that particular video, I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to upload the video onto YouTube. And then when I upload the video onto YouTube, when I go over here onto YouTube, I'm just going to grab that link, the link which, and once you upload it, and I'm just going to share you real quick. Once you upload the video, all you have to do is just click on where it says share. And then once you click on this link, let's say I'm going to take this link. Okay, 1 second. Go back over here. Let's say I want to add this video. I just click on it. And then where it says video embedded, I'll put YouTube, and then I'll put this link right there. And then once I do that, then all I have to do is just make sure I save it. You always want to save your work. And I'm just gonna preview this so you could see. And it's one of my videos that I just popped up, just so you know. So if you look on here, see, I just put the video. So that's all you have to do. Now this is not the quinoa video. As I said, you have to upload the video and then you copy the link and then you put it here. But I just wanted to share with you how it's done, and that's what it looks like. You want to make sure that you insert your link, and it's just going to take you to the actual product or the offer. Now, this takes me to another offer that I promote, but that's just to share with you exactly how this thing works. So once you do that and you want to head over back to ClickBank, and then once you go over to ClickBank, all you have to do is just click on here where it says promote. You want to grab your affiliate link. Once you grab your affiliate link right here, you go back over to ClickFunnels, and then where it says right here to gain access, all you have to do is just click on this tab where it says settings, click on where it says action, and then boom, you want to put your link right here. Once you put your link, you're good to go. Your link is popped in. If you want to put your link in here as well, you also can put your link just by putting your URL link down there. Once you do that, again, you always want to make sure you save, and then once you save, you should be good to go. So I'm not going to save this, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to say leave this page, right? So I'm going to leave the share code down below. So once you create everything, now the next thing we want to do is, of course, we want to start doing some promotion. Now, the method I'm going to share with you is going to be an evergreen. It's organic, and a lot of people are going to want to be clicking on your particular product. So we're going to go back over to the blog that I showed you in the beginning. Go into the blog. And what we're going to do, we're going to find low carb. We can find the actual weight loss. You could go to weight loss. You could go with flat belly. Maybe we can find something with flat belly. 21-day fix. 21-day fix is kind of like similar to flat belly. It's very similar, but again, you could do whichever one you want to go through here. Do your little research on here because there's so many. And then the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be copying everything. So we're going to copy and paste, and we're going to go over to this particular app that is called Spinbot. So we're going to copy everything. Let me go back over here. So we're going to copy this, copy, go over to Spinbot, paste it right there, go back again, go here, scroll down at the bottom. We want to copy this entire thing, right? Copy this right there, go back to Spinbot. And then what we could do is, just for the sake of this video, click on I'm not a robot. And then we click on go. So what this is going to do, this is basically going to spin everything, and it's going to rewrite the entire text. So that's a good thing. So if you look down here, this is the entire text that I just put together. So all we have to do is just copy the rewritten text, copy the entire thing, and then we're going to head on over to medium.com. So we're going to go to medium.com. So we go to medium.com. And once you create a medium.com, then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go here, right? And then you click on write a story. Now, we're going to write a story. We're going to just copy and just paste everything. And we're going to give it a headline. So we'll call it a headline. It could be a quinoa flat belly fix, right? That could be it. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get some pictures, and we go to pexels.com, and we find some weight loss pictures. Find some weight loss pictures. We could take some of these. We could take some of these people running, take some of these barbell, take some of these ladies, take some fitness stuff, download them. Once you download them, Now the next thing you want to do, you want to click on this where it says upload a picture. You pop on here, and just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put a picture. Of course, I'm going to put a picture of my wife's best friend, and that's what you want to do. You want to add pictures. Then after you do that, you want to then take the link that you create here at ClickFunnels, and then you want to insert it. All right, so let's say this link. You want to take this link. Once you take this link, you want to go here. Sorry, let me just go back. You want to go over to here, and let's say one of these words, you could put it right here, highlight it, put the link, hit enter, and then once you do that. So when the readers are going through, they're going to be clicking on this, and it's going to take them exactly to the actual offer. They're going to click through it. They're going to see it. They're going to love it. They're going to read everything. And that's how you're going to be generating $130 time and time again. So if you do this correctly and you set it up properly, this can start making you money. And over time, people are going to be reading. So just keep consistently posting different blogs, put your link in there, and then once you do that, then you're going to be good. So I hope this video was very helpful. I want you to go out there and start crushing it right now. And this is how you earn some money. This is how you earn money inside of, put some money in your pocket and get started right now. So thank you so much. Don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for keep watching the videos over and over again. I'll see you. Peace.